OpenAI is set to launch a revolutionary AI agent called Operator early next year. This incredible AI can autonomously handle tasks on your computer without supervision. Imagine an AI that manages emails, books travel, or even writes code entirely on its own. Operator's capabilities could redefine productivity and streamline our everyday routines. In this video, we'll explore all the exciting benefits that OpenAI's Operator has to offer. What is Operator and how can it help? Operator is designed as a virtual assistant that goes beyond simple tasks and prompts. Instead of needing constant guidance, Operator can finish tasks from start to completion. Think of it as having an always available assistant to take care of repetitive work for you. From organizing schedules to managing projects, this AI is designed to save you time. For professionals and everyday users, Operator could transform the way we get things done. How Operator enhances productivity: imagine an AI that can keep track of your emails, organize your calendar, or set up meetings. You'll have more time to focus on creative projects and high-level tasks that need your input. Operator doesn't just complete tasks, it learns and adapts, becoming more helpful over time. This means that Operator can grow with you, handling more complex needs as you go forward. With Operator, you can work faster, smarter, and more efficiently without the extra effort. AI for everyone, making technology more accessible. Operator isn't just for tech experts or large companies. It's designed with everyone in mind. Whether you're managing a small business, a family, or just daily to-do lists, it can assist. Imagine having an AI agent that simplifies tasks, giving you more time for what you enjoy. OpenAI's Operator is all about making technology work for you in an intuitive way. The goal is to create a tool that makes life easier for anyone, no matter your tech background. Why choose Operator for your everyday needs? Operator can streamline tasks, freeing up your time for activities that truly matter to you. With fewer repetitive tasks, you'll see an improvement in productivity and focus. As you use Operator, you'll likely find it saves hours every week by automating routine tasks. And with OpenAI's innovation, Operator will only get better, evolving to meet new demands. How Cyber AI Pros can help you get started with Operator. At Cyber AI Pros, we're here to help you set up Operator and make the most of its features. We can guide you through configuration, ensuring Operator works seamlessly for your needs. Cyber AI Pros offers consulting on integrating AI tools like Operator to boost productivity. Let us help you unlock Operator's full potential so you can experience a new way of working. If this video was helpful, please tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI insights. Visit cyberipros.com to learn about all the services we offer to support your AI journey.